So here we have the deluxe cooking blender from Pampered Chef, and one of the lesser known settings on it is the grind setting. Now on this setting you can actually make oat flour, almond flour, so that way you can have some gluten-free cookies. So here I've got my oats, and I'm gonna put in a cup of oats so that I can make oat flour for my healthy breakfast cookies. And as you can now see, our oats are finely ground into flour, perfect for our breakfast cookies. Hi there! The next step in our breakfast cookie making is adding the peanut butter to our classic batter bowl. Now, I find with peanut butter, it's hard to get the right amount because there are air bubbles and you can't see them in traditional measuring cups, and it's, you got to stack on top and hope you get the right amount. Well, that's all eliminated with the midi measure-all. So this, you can pull the bottom down to the perfect amount that you need. It's clear so you can see if there's air bubbles so you can stuff more down. And then once you're done, you just pop the top and in the peanut butter goes. Hey there, so I'm just gonna go ahead and mix all up the ingredients, and I will catch you in a few minutes. All right, now that our mixture is all mixed up in our classic batter bowl, and the reason why we love this bowl is because it's 8 cups, it's nice and big, got a handle so you can have a handle to hold on to as you're mixing, and it's a good weight so it's not gonna slide around on you on the counter. We now have to move our mixture from the batter bowl to our stone pan. To do that, we're going to use our large scoop. Now the large scoop, it may look like an ice cream scoop, but mind you, do not use it for ice cream. It does not work. What it does is it scoops the batter so that you have the perfect portion for whatever you're baking. So in this case, I want larger breakfast cookies, so I'm using the large scoop. And it also, when I squeeze, there's a little thing inside that moves as I squeeze that will make sure that we get all the batter out of the scoop in one go, so that way it is a clean scoop at the end. So here we go. Gonna fill it up nice and full, and then move over to our stone bar pan, which is very well seasoned and very well loved, as you can tell. Because it is so well seasoned, nothing sticks to it. And you don't need parchment paper, you don't need silicone baking mats. All you do is scoop on, throw in the oven, take off, and you're done. Hey there, now that our cookies are baked, we're gonna take them off of our stone pans, and we literally just scoop them off because they don't stick to the stones, which is the amazing feature about stones. Next, we're gonna bring them over here to our cooling racks. Now these cooling racks do come in a set of 2, which means you can stack them, and so that way if space is an issue, you can just stack them up. The other nice feature about these cooling racks is that they are the square pattern as opposed to the traditional lines, which means you don't have saggy cookies. Well, thank you so much for following along my journey with making these breakfast cookies. Take a look below for the recipe, and I'll catch you on the flip side.